The density here is higher than yesterday.
Noted. I'll update the projection model. Look at the fluctuation here at the separation point.
Sensing up.
It's within tolerance, but keep an eye on the vibration metrics.
This cluster seems underdeveloped compared to the others.
Noted. Adjust the feed schedule for this row.
Check row 7. The growth rate seems low on the tablet.
Confirmed. Scanning now.
Asparagus. We use this tool to maintain the ideal moisture level in the substrate, ensuring high hatch rates.
How often? That's the last one for this crate. Okay, let's get the lid on.
Okay, hold it right there.
Perfect.
Bring the next stack to the rear section, please.
Got the next one. All right, bring it down. We're almost done with this pallet.
For our first course, we have the pan-seared locusts, delicately balanced with local microgreens and a vibrant chili reduction.
I hope the texture and glaze meet with your approval, Master.
This is superb. You have captured the essence perfectly.
Did you find everything okay?
Yes, thank you. We're having an adventurous dinner tonight.
All right, hold it right there. Perfect.
Welcome aboard. We're ready for the shipment when you are.
We need 3 more plates ready in 5 minutes.
Yes, chef. The glaze is perfect on these.
Garnishes are ready, chef.
Try the chili lime ones, they're very popular.
Oh, wow. That is surprisingly crunchy and delicious.
Have you ever tried cricket flour before?
No.
But the reviews on this jerky look promising. Sao, 冇嘢㗎。
The caramelized locusts are good to go. And the deep fried with chili sauce is ready.
Align the labels to the front, please. Perfect. That fills up the shelf nicely.
We source these locusts locally, caramelizing them with a hint of chili and lime, served over a delicate saffron risotto.
Oh, that sounds exquisite.
That is surprisingly delicious.
I'm pleased to hear that, sir. Enjoy your meal.